Section 26. It is referring to the court jurisdiction for trying offences under the Indian Penal Code, IPC, and other laws in India. According to the section, any offence under the IPC may be tried by the High Court, the Court of Session, any other court specified in the first schedule of the IPC. There is a proviso that offences under certain sections, 376, 376A, 376B, 376C, 376D, and 376E, of the IPC shall be tried as far as possible by a court presided over by a woman. For offences under any other law, the jurisdiction of the court will depend on the specific law. If a court is mentioned in the law, the offence must be tried by that court. If no court is mentioned, the offence may be tried by the High Court, any other court specified in the first schedule for that offence. In summary, this section lays out the jurisdiction of courts for trying offences under the IPC and other laws in India, with specific provisions for certain sections of the IPC and offences under other laws.